Okay, there's gonna be no intro for this, okay? Because it's like almost 9 p.m. and I'm really late. I'm sorry, I've been gone all day and I just remembered I gotta record a video. I'm hoping I get this out. Let's get into it. My hair is looking a mess and I apologize, but don't screw with it. You know what I mean? Because I'm here, okay? I'm here. At least I'm here. Like, hop off, bro. I don't know how short this video about to be, but it is late. It is late. This is gonna be by the skin of my teeth if I get this out. Whatever. Whatevs. What's going on, big boy Roderick? Ugh. You see the homie Lucas? You've been replaced. This man can catch some bodies, bro.
Look,
This man doesn't just run away. My man catches bodies. Full metal shoes and everything, while I'm in the back slinging their ass. Ugh, look at that. Dream team.
Amicia!
What's going on, Hugo? You good? That tat on your neck not grow
So
anymore?
you succeeded?
Here,
Golly, Roger.
have to warn you. Smells a bit burnt.
Who's he?
Look at his face, bro.
Roderick. But shh.
The Sanguinis Itinera.
What is this book about?
Golly, bro. You're all tatted up.
It's the story of a little boy who's going to get a lot better now.
Okay, Misha.
Right, I'm starving. Anyone else?
Me?
Come and eat
Bro,
then.
my hair,
think
don't.
we deserve it.
Dude, that's not cool. Hey,
You too. Coming.
just leave it alone. Don't look at my face. I'm embarrassed. And I'm wearing this. Oh, golly, I got so much stuff to do. The Packers are taking a fat ass L right now, 20-0. That's tough. So you said, man, I'm so mad the Chiefs won. I wanted the Titans to win. I wanted the Titans to win the Super Bowl. That would have been cool as hell. What's the plan, Amicia?
No, no, no! Bloody hell! That's no good.
Hey, are you alright?
It's nothing.
Golly, bro, you don't have to be so
This
mad.
door.
You just swinging at
Have you
a
ever
sword,
opened it
my
before?
lord.
It's stuck.
You got some anger
It's
issues?
the only place in the chateau we haven't been yet.
You can't be with.
Don't you want to see what's behind it?
Well,
Boo.
Hugo is
Boo.
asleep. It's not an Inquisition guard. But at least I'll be able to continue. Let's go
So
take
you
a
can
look.
smash through
This,
doors?
at least, I know how to do.
What are you so mad about, Roderick?
There you go.
Bro,
Well, that was...
you into anger
efficient.
management?
And almost painless. Come on.
Bro,
let's
never
go.
mind, bro.
Whoa.
I like
you
your
feel that?
attitude,
No,
but
what?
When you enter a
I
place
don't like
that has
people with
been
anger
abandoned
issues.
for a
Like,
very
golly,
long
bro,
time,
like, chill out.
there's something
But you
in the
said
air.
that sword's for me,
Yes,
though, because
dust.
No, the
you
stones.
slide me a sword and we all
It's
we
like
Gucci.
interrupting a conversation.
We
This is the first
We're
time I
Gucci.
felt it here. That looks dangerous. Let's avoid it for now.
Okay.
Another door. Shall we continue?
yes, let's go. What are we doing?
Of course.
Let's see where this.
Oh, I go lie.
Leads
I
us.
hope this episode's
Oh.
short so I can upload
The
it.
courtyard.
It's a shortcut.
Ooh. Nah.
Oh, hey! I almost forgot. I found something while I was doing some clearing earlier. Come take a look.
Oh, I
Another
need
story
this.
about stones?
Let's go. I need this so bad. I
should make things a little
needed
easier.
that. My lord, I needed that. Because she takes forever. Where'd he go? Where'd this man jet off to? Okay, hold up, brother. My lord. Don't you say bold on me like that. Golly. I know she is cold. What? It's snowing out here? Oh, hell no. I hate the cold. Not for me. Could not be me.
A fresco. It's strangely familiar.
Bro, why are they playing
It
this dark
includes the
music
symbols
like
of the
some
pillars.
rats about to pop up?
This castle has things to tell us, huh?
And what is it telling
Oh,
us
can
then?
we go kill the
I
main
don't
Inquisition
understand
or
everything.
something? Can we go take
I
some
just
bodies?
think we'll be fine here.
Amicia!
Oh my
Come
god.
quickly!
It's Hugo. I guessed it!
I'm coming!
I guessed it.
Need me?
I guessed it. I guessed
I'll
it.
call you.
I guessed it. I guessed it.
I'm here, Lucas.
My man said it's. Oh my
Quickly.
god, bro.
Hugo,
The neck tat.
please.
Watch his face. Watch his face. About to be all tatted up. Ooh, knew it. Hugo.
It's getting worse and worse.
Hugo.
The
Snap out of
macula is
it.
progressing too fast.
I realize that, Amicia.
Bro, can we
I'm doing
slow
my
the
best.
growth of the macula,
I'm trying to
the
do what
rat
book
inside
says,
of him?
But it's going to take too long. I need a proper laboratory.
What about the
Like
one
Laurentius
downstairs?
had?
That's not catered enough?
No, one with better equipment.
Well, Perhaps my mother at my home.
Oh, we're not going back there.
She must have had some equipment there. You're right. It's worth a try.
We're leaving to go to the castle? You know how far that is? Our whole entire journey has been going away from the... Another problem? You're just gonna leave Hugo there? Bro, look at my man Hugo. Golly. Ugh.
I believe your twins are back.
Melly! You found him!
More dead than alive.
Oh my
But yes.
Amicia, we came because, well,
Yes.
Arthur, you tell her.
After our little adventure with your heretic burning friends, I ended up in an Inquisition cell.
Okay,
One day I saw the guards accompany a prisoner who looked the worse for wear.
okay.
Those bastards wanted her to tell them where her son was, so they threatened her. And I heard her name. Beatrice Storroom.
Mother is alive? She's alive?
No.
You managed to get Arthur
No,
out.
no,
It wasn't
no,
simple.
no. She's not
Believe me.
alive.
So you could...
She
Forget
isn't
it.
alive.
I was nothing.
She isn't alive.
She's too important
I
for the Grand
saw her
Inquisitor.
get stabbed! Bro, don't give me hope like this.
Yeah.
Is my mic screeching?
Questions her a lot.
They torture her? Hugo
She's
must
not
know anything of
alive!
this.
Even that she's alive?
She's not
It might
alive!
help. And what will we say when he wants to see her? Tell him
She's
nothing.
not
all right?
alive! I know she's not alive, bro. I saw Satan stab him through the door!
Oh no! Hugo! Hugo!
The next threshold. It's coming.
We have to go at once. To my home. Now!
Hugo, fight it! Hugo,
We'll
fight
stay
it!
here with him. It will be all right, my little brother. I swear.
I don't say it like
This
that.
time we
Amicia,
will
comfort
heal
his ass. What are you
Alright.
saying? It'll be alright, my
I'll
little
get the
brother. Like, what?
Genera
That was
and
so
potions,
formal.
And then we'll leave.
Hugo, I know you gotta be freezing your ass off. Oh, that was the end of the chapter. Okay, boys, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna play you like that. And another hour, 45 minutes to upload.
Amicia, you're going to be alright.
Yes. It's just
Just the old...
strange.
We
to be back.
already made it to the old castle?
Let's go.
Bro, we spent days getting to...
I never thought I'd come back
Okay.
here. Not so soon.
We find the potions and we leave.
Why don't we just,
We might even get home before
save
sunrise.
my mother?
We
She's not
can't
alive.
cross there.
She ain't not
That bridge
alive.
was at least a century old. Everything looks completely
Bro, we already
destroyed.
knew
It's
this.
the end of the old world.
If that's true, how come you're so
How am
calm?
I sliding? Oh, I can't slide across that? Okay. Okay. Golly, bro, it looks cold.
Look,
It looks like a
the
solid
stand
10
of the
degrees.
Inquisition.
Are they still there?
Let's be careful.
Bro, I don't care, bro. Hold up. Oh, let me make some acid. Pause. You know what I mean. Bro, I only have 5 rocks. Give me some more rocks.
Don't fall. Don't fall.
Wait, can you actually fall? I was gonna try to fall, but I feel like they do some stuff like that and let you fall.
What the hell is that? Look out, Lucas.
What's the matter with them?
I don't know, but I don't like it. Let's get out of here.
They're not even paying attention.
What the hell? Bro, are they circling some blood?
A mating dance, perhaps. Some animals have very strange rituals.
There's a difference between strange and terrifying.
Let's head out.
Why?
They're summoning a
I'm starting to
demon.
have doubts about that.
They're summoning
Lucas, we'll deal with that later.
Oh, bro, why? I literally just got terrified. I got
There are so
terrified.
many of them.
I got
When Hugo and I ran away,
terrified.
I remember something attacked the gods.
I just got, I don't know why. That was the most scary thing ever. Why did
I
I get
see.
so scared?
This must be one of the first places they came from. But it doesn't explain their behavior.
Bro! Whoa, bro, he just came in there flying. Golly, bro, this game cannot scare me like that ever again. Why we gotta face some more rats? How are they not freezing to death? Like, my lord, die already. You guys are invincible.
They're not welcome here. I'll show them.
Okay. How exactly are you gonna do that? Did you guys not see me aim at this a few seconds ago?
This is my
Oh
home.
my God.
Do you hear me? My
I
home.
knew what I was doing, bro. It didn't pop up yellow last time. Okay, brother. Bro, this game on some stupid. You guys saw me pull up on that.
Mongol rats.
Okay.
The domain is straight ahead.
There, the door.
Okay. Hugo, you know what we have to
Closed.
do.
There's a train on the other side. Wait, the lantern. They must have used it to get their troops through.
Good idea. I'll have a clear shot.
You can go back down. Tell me when you're ready.
Oh, I see what you mean.
And there. Here we go. You can move.
Good work, okay. Yeah.
Keep it on me, alright?
Think I'd make it here without you.
Whoa, bro, you saw it sped up? Okay, what now? Look at these. What now? Bro, are you gonna explain to me what the hell am I supposed to do or no? There's something I gotta shoot. There's something I gotta shoot. Let's see. No? Bro, I see it. It's right there. Hello? I think this game's tripping.
Their system works really well. I'm ready. Don't forget me.
Oh, bro, I am tripping. I'm sorry, I'm tripping, guy. I don't know what's going on. That was a mistake. Bro, I'm tripping so many. Why am I tripping?
Thank you.
Golly, I'm sorry, horse. That's tough.
Lucas, we're not alone.
What does that mean?
A guard. He's still alive.
A guard where?
Someone help me. The rats.
Are you a good guy or a bad guy?
You, tell me, how many of you are there?
Oh, it hurts. I don't want to
Shut
die.
up.
He got what he deserved.
Hey, I'm sorry, man.
He's here.
Hey, are you still there?
Wait, are you a good guy or a bad guy?
Answer me.
There's another one.
Hey, yo. My bad. Wait, so that's Max. Am I missing something?
Bastards. What have you done?
Justice for my family.
You'll pay for this.
Shut your
I
ass
already
up.
paid because of you, but I refuse to lose anyone.
He wasn't dangerous.
It's safer this way.
What, Lucas? Did you not just hear his ass? Did you not just hear? Lucas, look at me. Did you not just hear his ass? Did you not just hear him disrespect you? You gonna be like, he was dangerous? Did you hear his ass? Man, he deserved to get slept. I sleep him any day. I sleep any one of them. You guys don't understand. They're trying to kill us. They slaughtered and tortured my mother. Bro, I do it on any day of the week. Like, his name was not special. He got what he deserved. Dude, what am I supposed to do? Let me think about this.
We're here. Lucas, behind this door.
I understand. I'm with you.
Golly, you see
Let's
all
go.
this?
Oh, my God. Is this real?
My home.
Is that a body over there?
No.
Oh, that's your dad. That's the dad. That's the dad.
Amicia, we can stop. Find another way.
That's the dad.
No. I
Yeah,
have
that
to
got
see.
his head chopped off. No, he's got his head chopped off. I know that's. Oh, wait, our dad got our head chopped off. That's not him. That's not him. Oh, and that's that dude has his head chopped off. And if that is the case, yeah. Is that his head? Never mind, it's not him.
Is he your
Nah, our
father?
father's got our head chopped off, bro. Bro, I know.
What are they doing?
Bro, what the?
Oh no! The tail is back! Lucas! I have no idea. Push them back! The Ignifer! To right!
Ignifer. Wow! What the? What's that?
Lucas, what do we do? We're trapped! Keep firing! We have to find shelter! Where do you suggest we go? They're everywhere! You prefer to stay here? I won't last long like that! Enough! Stop!
Is it?
What the hell was that?
I think so.
What in the
You saved our lives.
We'll celebrate later. We need to get to the chamber. It's that
did you
window
just
up there.
cast a magic
should take the
spell?
torch.
How do they? Is this a rat NATO?
Hurry. I'll lead the way.
Thank you.
Bro, I know they did not just pull some magic out of their ass. Yeah, that wasn't my dad. That was my dad. Oh, don't step in that. Well, how am I supposed to get out there? I would have to go under here to get up there. Bro, what in the hell? My man, they sent rat tornadoes out. Okay, golly, golly.
Amicia, that body with no armor.
It's one of our servants, but his body.
The hell? Why?
Yes, the guards were eaten alive, but he wasn't.
Why are the rats not
Why?
eating?
There must be a reason.
Boo.
If only I knew.
There's some black magic
Great
going
break.
on here.
Its aftershocks continue to ripple through time.
Boo, hey, he's about to get eaten and send a swarm of rats at my ass who don't. Bro, what the hell? Uh-oh.
Yes, they're avoiding them.
What on earth is going on here?
Someone explain this witchcraft, bro. Yeah, better question, how are you? What the What? What the hell just happened? Bro, what the hell?
Is it over?
I think so. You saved our lives.
We'll celebrate later.
Dude, slide
We
me
need
the
to get to
torch,
the
bro.
chamber.
What the hell
It's
just
that window up there.
happened?
You should take the torch.
Did I just accidentally drop the torch? Bro, give me the
Don't
damn
worry.
torch. Let's go.
I'll lead the way.
Thank you.
Oh my god, bro. They're looking a mess. Golly, I look stupid. It's fine. Whatever. Leave it alone.
Amicia, that body with no
I
armor.
already saw
It's
it.
one of our servants, but his body.
Yes, the guards were eaten alive, but he wasn't.
We know.
Why?
Witchcraft. Witchcraft.
There must be a reason.
If
Rat
only I knew.
craft. Oh god, it's
Great
nice.
break. Its aftershocks continue to ripple through time.
Bro, I can tell it's gonna be a long ass video.
Her too.
Yes, they're avoiding them.
Why?
What on earth is going on here?
Bro, she don't look like. I don't know what the hell is happening. Okay, so just a second ago. Okay, so it didn't drop it this time. I don't know what.
Here we are. It's up there. Come, I'll get you up.
All right.
Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Ugh. Good moves.
Whoa, look out.
They're all converging here.
Bro, why do they want to eat me though? There's no light right here. There's no light right here. What are we doing? There is no light right here. What are we doing? We gonna walk with them?
They're going towards his room. The potions for Hugo must be in there.
Oh, so it's this potion for Hugo?
Lucas, those pots?
Simple infusions. Not strong enough.
There must be others.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff back here. Slide me all of this loot, like my lord. Okay, buddy, give me that alcohol. Lucas, move, dude.
So, this is it?
Yes, it's
Golly,
Hugo's
bro,
room.
got infested. Yeah, of course Hugo's room would still have the light on.
There are other pots.
Everything's like it was
Bro,
before.
what the hell is up with Hugo, dude?
No, that's not it. Neither's this. Pfft, no.
Lucas.
Or this.
Why hasn't his room been
No,
touched?
light is still
no.
on.
It's not here.
Still no luck.
No. These are normal standard potions. Your mother must have been working on a more complex elixir. There has to be something else. Another place, another room.
that I
You
know
can't
of.
just make an opus magnum like that. She must have a laboratory somewhere.
I don't know. I don't see where.
Laurentius, he built his laboratory away from prying eyes. So your mother must have.
So we
she
gotta
told
go-
me nothing. I never
But
saw
that's
her.
it. Isn't there a place where she didn't want you to go? I don't know. Some place she protected.
The old Roman ruins. She didn't want me to go there.
The Roman ruins. Yes, definitely an idea from an alchemist. Exactly where are they?
The garden.
Lucas,
Let's
why did you not just tell me this in the first place, bro? And now the rats want to kill us. I got it. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy.
Have they gone?
go. No, they're regrouping.
You mean?
Lucas, you can't stay here.
What are you doing, Lucas? Oh, you're tripping. Don't.
To the right. Come on. Yes, I'm coming.
Bro, I do not have enough Ignifers for this.
I've opened the way, Amicia. We need to go.
What are you talking about? You didn't open a bull crap. I opened the way, Amicia. You didn't open anything, dude. Oh, give me alcohol. Let's go. Hold up. Nothing in here? Okay, let's keep going. Golly, bro. Why are these tornadoes starting to spawn on my ass?
That was close.
Get a move on. They might come back.
I'm scared out of my skin, Amicia.
I'm here with you.
Bro, I've been doing
but
this
we
since
have
day
to
one.
keep
You'll
moving.
be okay. It's just a little black
Good
plague.
Lord,
Nothing.
it's even worse than I thought. Everything is dead.
Golly.
Where are the baths?
Over there, at the other end.
Of course they're at the other ends. They would
We
be at
have
the
to
other
get through
ends.
that. But how?
I know. We'll get there.
They would be at the other ends, dude. Can I speed run this?
Off we go.
You know,
Get ready to run.
Damn well, I'm about to
Ready.
speed run this.
Run!
Hold on. Oh, wait, these are limited burn. These are limited burn. Yeah, these are
Come on, go! Come on, come on!
Chill out. There's a lot of material.
It's alright.
I don't believe it. Look at them.
Slide me all.
Like a river. The river of rats.
But we've already seen
The
a
only
river
way to
of
get to the
rats,
baths.
dude. Chill out.
Wait, the car.
Oh, there was a light right there. There was a light right there.
It's alright.
I don't believe it. Look at them. Like a river. The river of rats.
It's the only way to get to the baths.
Wait, the car. We can relight the fire and push it in.
No, I'll light it and you push it.
What? All by myself?
You saw what
Lucas, you
happened
got
earlier.
it.
You think they're just going to let us pass like that? Come on, Lucas.
Let's go, Lucas. I got your back, bro.
Wobbly.
Oh yeah, good work. I see that strength. I see that strength. I got their tornado head ass.
Breathe. It's really heavy.
Bro, keep
Come
going,
on,
dude.
make an effort.
An effort. Don't forget I spent my life in a cellar.
Well,
The ground is vibrating.
hold on.
Do you feel it?
Yes, yes, they're coming.
Yeah.
Don't let them get near.
Listen,
I
if you
see
want to
'em.
take my sling,
Exactly.
I get
Let's go. I got you. I'm your bodyguard.
every pooping. I'll handle it.
Bro, what the? How? Explain. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Lucas, stop. Oh, slow your ass down.
It's all right. I don't believe it. Look at them. Like a river. A river of rats.
it's the only way to get to the baths.
Wait, the cart. We can relight the fire and push it in.
No, I'll light it and
Oh
you
my
push
god.
it.
They come.
What?
Let's go.
All by myself.
You saw
What?
what happened earlier.
Whoa,
You think they're
whoa.
just going to let us pass like that? Come on, Lucas, let's go.
Wobbly wobbly.
Wait. Let me crack one of these.
Breathe.
Oh my god. Let's go.
Really heavy.
Don't leave my ass. Don't leave
Come
my ass.
on,
Do not leave
make
my
an
ass.
effort.
Let me get in front, actually.
An effort. Don't forget I spent my life in a cellar. The ground is vibrating. Do you feel it?
Yes, yes, they're coming.
Don't let them get near.
Listen, if you want to take my sling,
I get every pooping. I'll handle it.
That happened twice. That happened twice, bro. This is hard.
One more.
Keep going. Let's 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 keep moving.
I don't want to die. Stop pushing it.
Well, then push harder!
die, Lucas. Nobody dies before we reach those baths.
It was decided that ever since we met, our lives have been governed by chaos.
But I'm the one with the sling, so calm down and push.
I'm doing
Exactly, bro.
just that.
Boy. Woody rats are right on the ass. Golly, bro!
They're coming back. Quickly.
That's enough. You will not stop us. How are you doing?
My legs, they hurt.
We're getting close. Keep going.
Let's go, let's
I'm
go.
doing everything I can.
Let's go, bro. Bro, this is a long ass stretch.
Right over there. The baths. We're nearly there, Lucas.
I think, Amicia, I've been thinking.
Bro, do not tell me you like me here. Let's go.
Ned,
Let's go. Let's go. Not,
What, Lucas?
not patting the.
all these
Let's go.
attacks.
Now's not a good time.
Yeah, I know.
It's because we're
On the right track, yes. But we still need to survive until the end.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I'm focused. I'm focused. Good work. Good work. Good work. Good work. Good work. Good work. Good job.
We made it, Lucas. We made it.
Good job, Lucas. Proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you, Lucas. You see, you're pretty tough.
Yes, but I don't think I'll ever
Lucas, you have
walk again.
asthma or something? Let's
No,
go.
come on.
Get your ass
I don't know
up.
what my mother hid under there, but you don't want to miss it, do you?
Oh no. Come on.
Bro, let's go. I don't have time for
Let's go.
this.
These stairs.
Golly, you
It takes me
teleported?
back to my childhood.
Well, that's good. Because we're going to need your memories from back then.
My mother never wanted me to come down here. She said it was dangerous.
Dangerous for her, I bet. You never found anything.
No, and I was really good at searching.
There are two of us this time. And you're not a child anymore. We'll find it.
would be some nasty ass
Help me push.
drag.
Very well.
Why are we pushing? Why? 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 What do you mean? Why? 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 Why?
My mother never wanted me to come down here. She said it was dangerous.
Dangerous for her, I bet. You never found anything?
No, and I was really good at searching.
There are two of us this time, and you're not a child anymore. We'll find it.
Let's push this.
Right now.
No, 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 no. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back.
Come on, help me.
All right.
Go, 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 go. I just shot it at him. Yo, my bad, Lucas. I did not mean to do that. My bad.
My
bro.
mother never wanted me to come
My
down
bad,
here. She said it was dangerous.
My bad.
Dangerous for her. You never found anything?
No, and I was really good at searching.
There are two of us this time,
And you will help me push.
very well.
Come on, Lucas. Come on, Lucas. Come on. God, at least stop sliding behind. What? What the hell am I supposed to do? I guess I gotta crash one of these. Bro, what?
So this is the Sudatorium.
Hell?
The Romans came here to sweat.
With the steam, yes. It was... Oh, look! The sculptures!
What?
Alchemical animals, putrefaction, purification, amalgamation, and sublimation.
The hell is
The
this
symbol in the basin
witchcraft?
represents putrefaction as well.
Bro, I didn't press W. I swear to God, I didn't press W. Bro, I didn't press it. 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 I didn't press W. I swear to God, I didn't press W.
So
Thank
this
God.
is the Sudatorium.
I did not.
The Romans
press
came here to sweat.
With the steam, yes. It was... Oh, look! The sculptures!
What?
Alchemical animals, putrefaction, purification, amalgamation, and sublimation. The symbol in the basin represents putrefaction as well.
These symbols used to fascinate me. There are more in the other two basins.
3 symbols, 4 sculptures. There's a fire under that one.
So we can probably light the others too.
There must be a way to get to them.
Well, it's probably right here. What do you mean?
Lucas, another fresco.
Bro,
A
just
pregnant woman.
puzzle?
But that's not all. Look, next to her.
It's some sort of alembic, right? She's an alchemist?
Exactly. Alchemy has often been compared to impregnation, and the crucible or kiln to the uterus.
Or maybe she's just a pregnant alchemist.
Not just. This temple is your mother's. And it's not just a coincidence that this is a woman.
It's your mom.
It's an
God is
important
ass.
place.
You're probably right.
Bro, I get it, bro. Can I just like...
Great!
Hey, what is it?
I would have never thought. I did
nest.
not see that.
They're
That
all
was
around
such
me.
luck.
I can't see a thing.
You ever heard of such luck? My lord.
Right, let's go.
I'll try to guide you.
Guide
And
me.
how do you intend to do that?
The light. I'll wait close to the basin. Good luck.
You didn't do a good job of guiding me, bro. You didn't do a good job of guiding me, bro. Took me the wrong way.
You're going too far. Careful.
I'm coming back.
What do you mean I'm going too far? Where the hell am I supposed to go then? Bro, there's no way. I don't think I'm supposed to be in here. Yeah, I'll try the other way. Yeah, I don't think it's right though. I don't think it's right. I think I'm supposed to take the stick up, maybe?
The snake. It gave me a few nightmares, that one.
Wait, what am I supposed to do? Bro, they really want me to die out here. Bro, these are both dead ends. What? So, oh, look over there. Okay. I see. That says something. Okay, so no, I can't. I saw it. I need to light. Light them up. No? I don't know how I'm gonna make it all the way over there. But okay. Nice try.
You're not far from a symbol.
All right, I'll carry on.
Okay, cool, never mind. I'm scared.
Can you see anything?
The symbol has appeared. It's confirmation. There's still one more symbol to light up. No, nothing over there.
Damn it.
I know I'm supposed to go now, though.
You're getting near the other symbol. Keep going.
Going as fast as I can.
Purification. All bases are lit. You can come back now.
I have to get out of here.
You're nearly there now.
Thank you, Lucas. Keep talking to me.
I don't know what to say. I never thought we would make it this far. But I find myself here. Laurentius taught me about the world through books.
But reality is something else entirely, huh?
That's the worst of it. None of this seems to be real at all.
I'm back, don't worry about it. I just risked my life. Loki's legs. So this video's gonna be long.
Decomposition, purification, and sublimation. Toad, swan, and serpent. So,
So our friend the lion is hiding a secret.
Ooh.
In its mouth, perhaps.
Okay.
Help us, Mother.
go on. You discovered her
I'd
secret,
never do
Amicia.
that. It's about to be
You've
bad.
earned this.
Oh, am I having to fight like a mage boss?
It's pitch black in here. It seems huge.
Save your ammo. I'll take care of it.
So, what do you see?
Complementary products, stabilizers, reagents, noble materials.
Tell me all this.
Vastly superior to what we saw in the bedroom. This is it, Amicia.
Good. Good.
Nice, cause.
Is it a family tree?
Yes, of my family apparently.
Not scare me like that.
Amicia,
It
these
disappeared.
notes handwritten over there. It looks like there's another fresco.
A
Golly.
child in the arms of its mother.
Damn, you have unlimited of
These
these, bro.
marks on
Slide.
its torso, Lucas.
The Prima Macula.
But this fresco is at least 8 centuries old.
And yet this has happened before.
But how many times?
Who knows? Sanguinis Itinera, the voyages of the blood. The macula travels through
What are they
history.
talking about?
It's already changed the world and will do so again. This box has a phoenix on it. The symbol of the great alchemical work. Amicia, I think we found it. Open it.
All right.
The hell is that?
Lucas, look.
Advanced crystallization. Blue-green
You
edging.
said that's a chug jug?
Substance clear.
What? Lucas,
Amber fragrance. Amazing.
spit it out. What on earth is
The
it?
cure
bro,
for
start
Hugo.
smelling.
She was making progress, but she didn't have time to finish it.
You mean the same cure that you...
Yes, without the book. It's incredible she was able to get this so far.
Bro, it looked like you almost dropped it.
So perhaps we can use it ourselves.
You won't make it right here?
My preparation, I think. I
Ah,
think I may
okay.
be able to finish it.
You seem off to a good start, Magister. Why didn't she tell me? I would have understood.
Bro, there's some more backstory to it, I
I
can
would've-
tell. She's a bad guy?
Ow! I would have done the same thing, Amicia. She was an alchemist, and, you know, her mother protects her children, doesn't she?
Oh no. Why reading this angle? I knew it, I knew
No,
it.
no, not now. How are we going to get
I
out of
knew
here?
it.
Forget it. Just finish the cure. I'll hold them back. I don't believe it. Why now? Lucas, we have to get a move on.
I'm reading. Your mother stopped at the sun door. She found the torch, but she didn't know how to light it.
I'm
It
waiting.
doesn't make sense.
They're symbols. She was looking for the missing element, but the book says you must empty the vessel for the spirit to fill it. Your mother was mistaken. You must not add, but subtract.
That's done.
Find me some macerate while I prepare the mix. There has to be some around here.
Macerate? What's that? Where will I find it?
In the pharmacopoeia. The alcove with the curtain.
On my way.
Quieten down. Laurentius used to say, calm the beating of your heart. It is the wish of the heart. Let the hands express.
Lucas, this mechanism, it's the same as the one at the Chateau d'Ombrage.
If you ask me, it's not a coincidence.
Okay, she said mom made the Shadow d'Ombrage. Okay. I see you, Mom. Good looks.
There are too many pots, Lucas. I don't know which ones are which.
Find the one that really stinks.
Everything stinks. I'm not sure my... That doesn't smell good. But it doesn't smell... What's that?
What are these
No
rats
idea.
on?
It doesn't smell of anything. Pepper? Mint? No, there must be worse than that. Much worse.
Whoa. Oh, Lord. That is
Okay,
absolutely...
let's go. Let's not waste time. Let's not waste time.
Lucas! That noise. They're coming back. They're regrouping.
Let's not waste time. Let's not waste time.
Keep going. We're nearly there.
I'm coming.
Put it there. Right. Let's awaken this phoenix.
Right, what else do you need?
Gently. Stop shaking. There's no time to waste any.
They're coming back.
Hurry up.
Good, but not enough.
You said you had to filter something out. So why are you still adding things?
You have to add in order to subtract. The bread's here, Amicia. You have to clear a way to the stills for me.
All right then. Let's get to those stills.
Bro, we need to get to everything in the room. Bro, I'm
The
gonna run
curtain, it's there.
out of materials. I don't think I can flame enough.
Amicia, they're going to extinguish the brazier!
Oh, no, they don't.
I gotta focus.
Lucas, watch out! Away!
Oh, Lucas, good work. I didn't know you could kill him.
How's that?
Lucas.
But they won't change the course of history! Time to get back to work!
Oh, Lucas, don't do anything stupid.
I know what I'm doing!
He knows what he's doing. Back
I
off
think
him.
so. At least, at any rate, there's no going back.
Just be careful!
Lucas, watch out! Look at the ball. Well, there's no fun inside.
Hurry up,
Come
Lucas.
on.
Hurry up, Lucas. Hurry up, Lucas.
Truth
I do
will
not have
flow out
infinite
of the mouth.
materials.
Come on. Give me your purest alcohol.
Voila!
The door of the sun. The
Bro,
flame of the
Why are
carrier.
you chanting spells, dude?
Amicia,
Hurry up.
Take me back.
Right away!
What's the next rat tornado? Oh, take you back? I got you. 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 Bro, can this thing turn any faster? Hurry up. Got him.
Flame! I don't know what you're doing, but do it! I'll hold them off!
Bro, hurry up, hurry up, bro, hurry up, bro, hurry up, bro.
Lucas, I don't know if I can hold them! I'm nearly there!
Hurry up, bro, 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 hurry up, bro. Hurry up, bro, hurry up, bro, hurry up, bro, hurry up, bro, hurry up, bro. Hurry up, bro, hurry up, bro, hurry up, bro.
I can't do it!
Hurry up!
Lucas, I have nothing left! Lucas! What?
Screwed it up.
What's happening?
He did it?
I've done it, and it looks like they know.
Well, let's not hang about.
Then please, after you.
Bro, they just all calm down. What? You're tripping. So they just all calm down. They said you got the chug jug, so I'm
Lucas,
out.
You did it.
We did it.
Laurentius would be proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. At least we know
Too
for
easy,
certain.
too easy.
If the
Too
elixir
easy,
is linked
too
to the
easy,
rats,
too easy.
that means there's a link to the carrier.
Yes,
easy.
but first things first. We have to save
Too
Hugo.
easy, too easy, too easy. Too easy. Good chapter though, good chapter. Right? That's the end of the chapter. Wait, hello, bro. God, this is a long ass chapter. What, boo? Is that the guy or the girl? I can't tell him yet. We back? We back? What up? What the hell? Oh.
It's them!
You know? We back, boys. We back, boys. You see the rats? They can't. We back, boys. We back,
Our
boys.
trainee alchemist has worked wonders. We have the elixir.
I always knew you were good and...
Thanks.
Come on, let's go see Hugo.
Roger, don't act like you just met this kid. Hugo, please don't die on me. Don't tell me you're already dead. Hugo, it's time to slurp up.
You're not sleeping?
Hey, it's time to slurp up.
Hey, look, we did it.
It's time
The
to
elixir.
slurp up!
Lucas made it.
Bro, if you don't drink this right now, dude,
Hugo.
he's dying. He's dying right now.
It might be a little bitter.
Never mind. Drink it in one gulp. Very good.
So, am I cured now?
No.
Well,
no. Something's
In
gonna
any
happen.
case, you'll soon be a lot better.
Amicia? Will we never see Mommy again?
oh, Hugo, I told you, she won't be coming back. No,
That's not true, Hugo. I'm gonna go save her ass
And
for you.
it doesn't hurt where she is?
no, of course not. Let's all go to bed now, eh? And tomorrow, when you wake up, you'll feel a lot better.
Did we
You'll
not
see.
just take action? Like, can the tats go away? Bro, Bro, can the tattoos on his neck go away? Please? Bro, why are you watching him so carefully, my lord? Ugh. Good chapter. That was stressful. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.